We've got a huge build going on today, guys. We've got Alex has sent his Lowrider S up to me from New South Wales. He wants a 131 package with a 515 cam. Now, guys, there's a lot going on with this build. We've got Galfer rotors on the front and rear. We've got the Thunderheader 2-in-1. We've got some T-bars. We've got a Memphis Shades Fairing going on. We've got bags. There's a lot happening with this build, guys, but the biggest part of it, and what I know a lot of you are here to see, is the engine build. We'll be doing the 515 from Cycle-Rama and A.P.E, their collaboration. Guys, I'm really excited about this Thunderheader 2-in-1. I've never used it before. I've heard great things about it. Let's dive straight into it. Alright guys, I've got a tune loading in here at the moment that I have used previously on another bike that is very, very similar. The pipe is of course the difference here. So we'll start with this tune and just see how we go. So let's get into it. Well guys, I'm absolutely stoked with how this thing tuned up. It was an absolute pleasure to tune. That responded very well to all the AFR adjustments, and we came up with a beautiful result. So let's check it out. You can see there guys, 150 horsepower, 154 foot-pounds of torque. That graph is just a beautiful graph. Check that out. That's a classic example of what a beautiful looking dyno graph should look like. You can see down the bottom here, AFR's front and rear cylinder, spot on, perfectly flat, happy as days, very, very excited about it. Guys, it's Friday afternoon here and it is raining. There's no way in the world I want to ride this thing in the rain, not because I'm scared, it's just because it's going to be a complete waste of time. I mean, it's just going to peel the tyre as soon as I pull the trigger, so no point riding it this afternoon. I'm going to go have my weekend, get a haircut and test ride it on Monday, but lucky for you guys, you don't have to wait around. Let's go. Guys, I'm just pulling up here to do an initial review on what it's like. Oh God, it's so cold. Guys, I've just pulled up here. I want to do a quick initial review on this thing. It's next level. This thing, it's unbelievable. It makes my fat bob feel like a slouch. This is so broad. There is torque everywhere. It is silky smooth. It just doesn't quit. The more you roll it on, the more it just comes alive and wants to party. Believe me, this thing is next level. I can't believe just how different it is. Obviously I know it's making more power, than the Fat Bob, but the way it delivers it, it's just completely different. This is such a great combination. I was really surprised with how that, well, not surprised, there was a lot of there has been a lot of good feedback about this pipe, and the truth does show there on the dyno graph, as you saw earlier. Just a beautiful looking graph, just a mound of torque, plenty of power. It's just next level. I can't believe how good this thing is. Like, obviously I'm going to go for a bit more of a ride, but this thing is just next level. I love it, folks. Let's keep going. It is so cold here this morning too. It's a beautiful morning. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's a beautiful morning, but my hands are freezing because the temperature's like, I don't even know what it is. It feels like it's 5 degrees. It's probably like 15 though, but I don't know what that is in American, but it's cold on my hands. Guys, I can't believe how good that thing rode. It's been on my mind all day. I rode it this morning. It's now in the afternoon. My hands have warmed up. It was so cold this morning. But guys, it rode absolutely beautifully. Very strong, super smooth, power everywhere. Just an outstanding combination as far as I'm concerned. Easily one of the best that I've done in a long time. The pipes worked really well, guys. There was a lot of hype about it. It has delivered as far as I'm concerned. If you want to get technical, guys, I am 2,200 feet above sea level here. I've proven this in other videos before, but you can add 6% to my figures to get an indication of sea level power. But you know, I don't want to flog that dead horse. Thanks for bringing it up to me, Alex. I know that you are going to love this thing, mate. Thanks for the support across the channel, guys, too. I'm still stoked with 10,000 subscribers. I'm this close to 11,000. So thank you all for all the support, the comments, likes, sharing, watching, etc. It's been great. I love doing this as often as I can, but obviously I still try to work a full-time job here and be a father and a husband at home. So definitely not a full-time YouTuber, that's for sure. But I'm trying to do as much as I can for you folks to get some decent content out there for you. So thanks for checking it out, guys. See you next time.